Audio Jungle.
Welcome to Galaxy Technology Foundation, an organization located in Ghana that teaches children in rural communities and structural coding, electronics, and robotics. My name is Nam Adra June, and today I'll be making a presentation on Python.
Audio Jungle.
Python is a high-level, interpreted and general-purpose programming language that is easy to read, learn, and write. Python is widely used for web development, data analysis, AI and machine learning, game development, and language development. Python has many benefits such as improved productivity, portability, free and open source, and vast libraries support. Python was conceived in the late 1980s by Guido van Rossum. Python uses indentation to define code blocks instead of curly braces or keywords. Python has a built-in AI and machine learning library such as TensorFlow and PyTorch that allows building and training neural networks and deep learning models with high flexibility. Python, as a versatile programming language, can be used to develop a wide range of applications such as administration applications, gaming applications, machine learning and artificial intelligence applications, and desktop applications. Some roles for Python programmers are web developer, data analyst, data scientist, machine learning engineer, software developer, etc. Some companies that use Python are Google, Facebook, Netflix, Amazon, Microsoft, IBM, Spotify, and Instagram. Python's flexibility and ease of use make it a great choice and a sought-after language for developers across many industries. Please don't forget to follow and subscribe on all our social media platforms for more videos. Thank you.